Everyone, welcome to Organic Creation. So for people who are struggling with dry, frizzy, unmanageable hair which always feels very rough, you cannot manage it at all, no matter what you've tried, it's still having the same problem. Today I'm going to share the best solution with you all. We are going to be making an extremely hydrating and moisturizing hair mask, Korean hair mask with rice water and honey. We know how good honey is to give that lovely texture and shine to your hair, and rice water helps to give that lovely straight look to your hair with an excellent smoothness to it. So this is like a hair smoothening hair mask what we are going to be making today. For basic formulations that will be shared in the description box, for these advanced ones you all can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given. So we'll quickly go ahead and start making this. Here I have both my phases, my water phase and my oil phase. In my water phase I have my water. I have taken a good amount of glycerin. I have added some hyaluronic acid to this for giving that extra nourishing properties to the hair. In my oil phase I have my emulsifiers, my thickeners, my emollients. I have taken some argan oil, which is very nourishing, and it helps to keep your hair strong and healthy. So this is what I have in my oil and water phase. We'll quickly heat it and make a mask. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here. And now quickly we are going to go ahead and add our water phase into our oil phase. And we'll give this a good blend till both the phases combine well. Okay, so after blending all the ingredients together, this is the beautiful consistency that we have here of the smooth mask. And now we are going to add our honey in this, which I have already weighed out. Extremely conditioning and moisturizing for your hair to give you that nice glowing effect, that nice shine on the hair. And here I have my preservative, which we'll go ahead and add, and a little bit of fragrance. And we'll go ahead and mix all these ingredients together. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed everything together, and if you can see the beautiful mask that is ready here, this is very highly conditioning, very soft. It gives an excellent slip and shine to the hair after you have applied it, just like spa effect on your hair. And friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such videos with you all, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do share the channel as well. Thank you so much everyone.